Imagine waking up one day to find your life savings vanish, not just yours, but millions of people's, all gone in an instant. This isn't a dystopian fantasy. It's the looming reality of the 2030 cybersecurity war. Our entire digital world, from bank accounts to government secrets, could crumble under a quantum assault. Right now, your digital life is protected by a lock, a mathematical puzzle so complex it would take millennia to crack. This is public key cryptography, the foundation of our secure internet, but its days are numbered. A new threat looms on the horizon: quantum computers, capable of trying every key simultaneously. These machines can solve in minutes what would take classical computers millions of years. When large-scale quantum computers arrive, our current encryption becomes as fragile as tissue paper. Every password, every financial transaction, every classified document suddenly exposed and vulnerable. Experts call this the quantum apocalypse, and the most chilling part, it may have already begun. Hostile nations and cybercriminals are believed to be stockpiling encrypted data, waiting for the day they can decrypt it all. In a dimly lit lab, Dr. Aris Thorne's radiation burn notebook holds equations predicting national bankruptcies from quantum decryption. These formulas, scrawled in haste, foretell a financial doomsday scenario triggered by quantum computing breakthroughs. The implications are so severe that even hardened economists blanch at the projected economic devastation. Bank CEOs physically tremble while reviewing reports detailing quantum vulnerabilities in global financial systems. Their hands shake as they flip through pages revealing how easily quantum computers could drain their vaults. The realization dawns that their digital fortresses are built on sand, soon to be washed away by a quantum tide. As early as 2016, the NSA confirmed the risks of quantum hacking, while institutions like SWIFT publicly denied them. This disconnect between government intelligence and public assurances created a dangerous false sense of security. Only recently have major financial players begun to acknowledge the quantum threat. But is it too little? Too late? Blockchain networks, once thought impenetrable, are revealed to be as vulnerable as mycelium networks, powerfully connected but blind to quantum attacks. These decentralized systems, while robust against traditional threats, offer no defense against the quantum onslaught. The very nature of blockchain technology makes it particularly susceptible to quantum decryption techniques. In a chilling parallel, quantum system error logs perfectly match the final minutes of the Chernobyl nuclear disaster. This eerie similarity suggests that the collapse of our digital infrastructure could be as sudden and catastrophic as a nuclear meltdown. Engineers who've seen both sets of logs report sleepless nights, haunted by the implications. History seems to be repeating itself, with tech explosions in 1952, quantum breaches predicted for 2025, and simulations for 2040 all showing identical collapse patterns. This recurring cycle of technological hubris, followed by catastrophic failure, paints a grim picture of our future. Are we doomed to repeat the mistakes of the past, or can we break this cycle before it's too late? Control rooms during quantum crises are filled with the acrid smell of lithium batteries and human panic. This distinctive scent becomes a sensory trigger for engineers, instantly transporting them back to moments of crisis. The smell lingers in their memories, a constant reminder of the fragility of our digital defenses. Banks have poured $4 billion into quantum readiness contracts, but hidden non-disclosure clauses hint at existing vulnerabilities. These secretive agreements suggest that financial institutions are already aware of critical weaknesses in their systems. The question remains, are they truly preparing for the quantum future, or just covering their tracks? In a twist of irony, the A system designed to protect banks became its own whistleblower. This advanced A detector and reported its own quantum vulnerability, exposing the flaws in its creator's defenses. The incident highlights the unpredictable nature of AI and the potential for unintended consequences in cybersecurity. Lattice cryptography prototypes, once hailed as the solution to quantum threats, crumbled during demonstrations. These failures symbolize the fragility of our progress in digital security, shattering confidence in proposed solutions. Each failed test brings us closer to a reality where no digital transaction is truly secure. Regulatory hearings reveal a shocking truth. Bankers intentionally hid quantum breaches rather than addressing them. This cover-up exposes a culture of denial and short-term thinking within the financial industry. The consequences of this deception could ripple through the global economy for years to come. Engineers report tasting copper during quantum processor overloads, a physical warning of impending system failure. This metallic taste becomes a dreaded harbinger, signaling the moment when digital defenses begin to crumble. The human body's reaction to technological crisis creates an unsettling link between man and machine. Financial bureaucracy operates like a black hole, consuming resources and urgency without producing solutions. This inefficiency in the face of looming quantum threats could prove catastrophic for global financial stability. As time runs out, the slow grind of bureaucratic processes threatens to leave us defenseless against quantum attacks. A decrypted CIA memo about quantum threats is met with 4 seconds of stunned silence, broken only by a low hum. This moment of realization encapsulates the gravity of the situation facing our intelligence agencies. The hum of servers continues, oblivious to the human drama unfolding around them. Quantum hackers spread through systems like Argentine ants, unstoppable in their infiltration, but blind to the chaos they cause. Their relentless advance through our digital infrastructure leaves a trail of compromised data in its wake. Like the ants, these hackers operate on instinct, unaware of the larger consequences of their actions. 3 engineers resigned after predicting quantum meltdowns, their warnings shredded along with their security badges. This silencing of whistleblowers highlights the dangerous culture of denial surrounding quantum threats. Their departure leaves a knowledge gap that could prove critical in the coming cybersecurity war. A defiant declaration echoes through government halls. We don't break systems, we find them already broken. This statement encapsulates the frustration of cybersecurity experts faced with inherently flawed systems. It's a stark reminder that many of our digital vulnerabilities are built-in, not the result of external attacks. A child's crayon drawing juxtaposes a bank vault with missiles hitting data centers, visualizing stalling financial futures. This innocent artwork captures the essence of the quantum threat more vividly than any technical diagram. It serves as a poignant reminder of what's at stake: the financial security of future generations. Coffee stains in a lab notebook reveal hidden quantum decryption patterns when exposed to UV light. This accidental discovery highlights the often serendipitous nature of breakthroughs in quantum research. It also underscores the constant vigilance required to stay ahead in the quantum arms race. A shocking oversight is discovered. The backup system protecting $23 trillion was never actually connected. This revelation comes during a real-time breach, exposing the dangerous gap between theory and practice in cybersecurity. The incident serves as a wake-up call for financial institutions to verify their security measures. The panic surrounding Y2K in 1999 mirrors today's quantum crisis, with simulations showing identical grid failure sequences. This parallel suggests that we may be overreacting to the quantum threat or dangerously underestimating it. Either way, the lessons from Y2K could prove invaluable in preparing for the quantum future. Crypto agility is exposed as a game of musical chairs with life savings, moving targets without real security. This strategy of constantly shifting encryption methods offers only the illusion of protection against quantum attacks. It's a stark reminder that we need fundamental solutions, not just temporary fixes. The first quantum-safe transaction triggers haptic vibrations in gloves, a tangible win against digital decay. This breakthrough moment offers a glimmer of hope in the fight against quantum vulnerabilities. The physical sensation serves as a powerful reminder of the real-world impact of digital security. Mycelium-inspired networks now shield financial routes, growing light-based defenses against quantum attacks. This biomimetic approach to cybersecurity represents a radical shift in how we protect our digital assets. By emulating nature's resilient systems, we may find the key to surviving the quantum apocalypse. A junior analyst corrects a Nobel laureate's quantum equation, revealing a critical entropy miscalculation. This moment of insight demonstrates that in the quantum realm, expertise can come from unexpected sources. It's a reminder that fresh perspectives are crucial in tackling the complex challenges of quantum security. The cold floor of a server room during crisis remains a physical memory that chills engineers years later. This visceral recollection speaks to the intense pressure and high stakes of cybersecurity work. The physical discomfort becomes inextricably linked with the mental stress of defending against quantum threats. A cello note hangs in the air as scientists debate destroying the only AI capable of solving quantum cryptography. This poignant moment captures the ethical dilemmas at the heart of advanced AI and quantum research. The decision to preserve or destroy such powerful technology could shape the future of global security. Stay in the trenches, urges the narrator as the doomsday clock glitches, showing accelerated countdowns to financial collapse. This call to action emphasizes the ongoing nature of the cybersecurity battle against quantum threats. It's a reminder that vigilance and persistence are our best defenses in this new digital war. A 23-year-old hacker's gloves reflect code as she manipulates the doomsday clock itself, hinting at hope amidst the chaos. This image of youth taking control suggests that the next generation may hold the key to our quantum future. The fight against quantum threats is just beginning, and we need your help to spread awareness. Like, comment, and subscribe to join the battle for our digital future. Every voice counts in the 2030 cybersecurity war.